Hey everyone, it's Bjorn, your trusted guide to real estate here in Minnesota. Today I'm here to talk to you about a topic that's been on my mind and that comes up in real estate quite often when selling a home, and that's open houses. Specifically, why having an agent who is willing to host an open house for your listing can make all the difference in the success of your sale. If you're thinking about selling your home or you're already on the market, you'll want to know how an open house can maximize exposure and why having a skilled agent at the helm is key. So let's jump on into that. First off, what exactly is an open house? Well, it's a scheduled event where potential buyers and agents can drop by, tour the property, and get a feel for the space without having to make a formal appointment. Unlike private showings, open houses are typically held on the weekends, and it allows for a more relaxed, low-pressure viewing experience. This gives buyers a chance to explore the property at their own pace. Now, let's talk about why having a real estate agent who's willing to take the time to host one is a game changer. One of the biggest benefits of an open house is that it can generate a ton of exposure for your listing. Not everyone schedules showings right off the bat. Some people prefer to casually browse before deciding to take the next step. Hosting an open house allows these potential buyers to explore your home without the pressure of committing to an appointment. An open house also gives curious neighbors and passers-by a chance just to stop in. And while that might seem like a waste of time, don't discount it. Many buyers come from local referrals. For real. People see that their neighbor's house is up for sale, and they call their in-law, they call their friend, they call someone they know and say, hey, you liked it over in my area? Why don't you come take a look at this house? An open house also helps spread the word about your listing, potentially bringing in more serious buyers who may not have noticed otherwise. Now, this is where having a great agent, like yours truly, really makes a difference. As a real estate agent, I'm not just opening the door and letting people walk around. I'm actively showcasing your home's best features, answering questions, and offering insights that buyers might not get from a simple online listing. A good agent can also gauge buyers' reaction in real time and use that feedback to adjust marketing strategies, staging, and pricing if necessary. Think about it. If I got a bunch of people coming in saying, well, you know, that could be fixed, or maybe this price is too high, or wow, what a great deal, I take this information in and pass it on to you, because the more we know, the better. A well-hosted open house creates an inviting atmosphere that makes your home feel more accessible. I do my best to make sure that everything is in tip-top shape, from setting the right lighting to staging and moving things around that helps the buyers visualize themselves living in there. As an agent, I handle the logistics, from getting the word out on social media and real estate websites to, well, preparing marketing materials for potential buyers to take home. The goal is to make sure every visitor leaves with a great impression and a clear idea of what makes your home special. Another advantage of an open house is the personal connection it creates with buyers. I get a chance to interact with them and listen to their questions and questions from their agents and get that instant feedback like I talked about. This helps build trust and confidence in the property. When buyers feel comfortable and engaged, they're more likely to take the next step, whether that's scheduling a private tour or making a bona fide offer. Having a skilled agent on site can also help address concerns or misconceptions while on the spot. Lastly, let's talk about one of the most powerful benefits of an open house, and that's the potential to create, well, kind of a sense of urgency and some competition for your home. You want people to really want your home, so let's showcase it as best we can and get that ball rolling. So there you have it. Having a real estate agent who is willing to do an open house for your listing isn't just a nice to have. It is a strategic move. From maximizing exposure and showcasing your home's best features to creating that urgency and engaging with buyers, an open house, well, that can be the difference between sitting on the market and sealing the deal. If you're thinking about selling your home and want to make the most of every opportunity, reach out to me. I am here to help you navigate every step of the process for a successful transaction. Thank you so much for watching. I want to remind you to please subscribe, hit that like button, and the comments below, use them to get a discussion going about your experience with open houses. Maybe attending them, maybe holding them, maybe both. Who knows? I'll be back next week before you know it, so until then, be kind to one another.